Hello, art people. Welcome to day one of a new lesson, color theory weaving. I can write an artist statement using art vocabulary to describe why I made certain decisions while making my art, so that I can explain why I chose to use certain colors when making my tapestry, which is woven artwork like this. I'll know I've got it when I've included at least two ways I used color to illustrate my feelings in my tapestry. And again, the tapestry is just an artwork created by weaving, okay? This type of art is fiber arts. Color theory is just the study of the color wheel. So things like complementary colors are across the color wheel, like red and green look good together, purple and yellow look good together, blue and orange look good together. Those are complementary colors. That is part of color theory. The primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. That's part of color theory. Yellow and red make orange. That's part of color theory. The cool colors are purple, blue, and green. Warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. That's all part of color theory. There is another aspect of color theory, and that is the symbolism, mood, and meanings that colors can represent and therefore give our artwork. Before we get started with our activity, I'll have you guys go ahead and pause my video and then watch this video right here about color symbolism. And then you can come back to this video. All right, so here are the reference images I've put together for us. First off, our art history inspiration is 12th century Africa and the kente cloth. We'll be learning more about the kente cloth next time. And then, of course, I have some reference images for the loom and the weaving here. And here, today you're going to start by decorating your popsicle stick. So there's some different ideas in here for how you might want to do that. And you're also going to glue your popsicle sticks together. In case you just need a little page that explains the different meanings of colors, I have included that in the reference images as well, even though the video we just watched goes over it. So you'll need to decide what kind of mood that you want to convey with your artwork. And so, for instance, if you wanted to feel like energetic and excitement, you would want to color your popsicle sticks with red. If you want it to feel more calming and relaxing, you would want to color it with blue, so on and so forth. So check this out and decide kind of what mood or meaning you want your artwork to convey, and that's how you'll decide what colors you color with. I'm going to color with marker. You're not going to want to use paint for this. You're going to want to either use crayons, colored pencils, or markers, so something that's dry, because after we color them, I'm going to show you how to glue them together like this, okay? And that's what we'll be doing today, and then in our next video, we'll be weaving it, but we're just making the loom today. You'll also want to put something down on your table so that you don't accidentally color off of the popsicle stick onto the table. You just color on the popsicle stick and it just goes onto the scrap paper underneath. All right, so for the next little while in this video, you'll just see me coloring these popsicle sticks. After I'm done coloring them, I'll come back on the microphone and show you guys how I would like you to glue them together. So for now, you can just color along with me. You can color however you want as long as it's conveying what you want it to convey. Alrighty, so once you have your popsicle sticks colored, you are now going to put them together to make your frame or your loom. Now, you're going to want to do this on a piece of scrap paper. That way we can easily transport it to a place to dry. And it'll be easier if it's on a piece of scrap paper versus just all wet and flimsy popsicle sticks. So you're going to want to get a piece of scrap paper and a pair of scissors. And you'll just cut it to be a little bigger than your loom will be. Okay, something like that. All right. All right, the next thing you're going to want is some liquid glue. And you'll lay all your popsicle sticks out how you want them. Okay. And now we're going to put a dot of glue on the edges, like on the ends of the top popsicle stick and the bottom popsicle stick. So I'm going to put some on this end, and then down here on the bottom, this end, and this end. Okay, like that. Then you're going to place these side popsicle sticks on top. Okay, and that is all you're going to do activity-wise for this project today, because this needs to dry. Now on your scrap paper, you can write your name, on the bottom right corner as always, and your class, which is 5, and the first letter of your teacher's last name. And then this is going to get turned in. So we'll carefully move this where it needs to go to dry, okay? So that is it for today. Next time we're going to learn about kente cloth and we're going to start our weaving, all right? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.